Pallavi Dixit, Assistant Professor, SysTech Ratibur, wish a very happy and sunny afternoon to the respected dignitaries, HODs, faculty members, and all our vivacious students. Here, the galaxy of intellectuals and the gems of SysTech Ratibur, that is, our qualified students of Student Activity Council, are making this day truly a spectacular one. Thus, dear audience, you may eventually discover the essence of this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. Today, we are here for the investiture ceremony of SysTech Ratibur. For those of you who do not know the meaning of investiture ceremony, it is a ceremony that is official celebration of person's installation to his authority, power, right, and office. The Student Activity Council is a consolidated group of students determined to work for the betterment and enrichment of the cultural, decorum, and discipline of the institute. Every year, the SAC interviews are conducted to appoint president and vice president. With these grand titles comes up with the great responsibilities. The various committees formed under SAC Council are Branch Coordinator, Cultural Coordinators, Digital and Media Committee, Hostel and Mess Committee, Sports Committee, and Training and Placement Committee. Well, you just have to have the guidance to lead you in the direction until you can do it yourself. Our students are truly lucky to have been guided by an experienced mentor. With that being said, I would like to call upon Dr. Spurti Verma, Faculty Coordinator, Student Activity Council, SysTech Ratibur, to address the gathering.
A warm welcome to you all and a hearty good afternoon to everyone. We all have gathered here to witness the oath-taking ceremony of Student Activity Council 2021-22 and also to mark the closure of Student Activity Council 2020. Joined here are the members of both SAC teams and I welcome you all. Student Activity Council is a body of students willing to contribute in the smooth functioning of the various activities of the college. These students are selected through rounds of rigorous tests and interviews. SAC 2021, this year's council, comprises of 31 young enthusiasts in committees of their choice and interest, spread over the areas like Branch Coordinator, Cultural Committee, Digital and Media Committee, Hostel and Mess Committee, Sports Committee, Training and Placement Committee. For the new team, I propose a 4-point rule which will help you to carry SAC activities smoothly. Keep a vision, think high, think new. Maintain communication within the team. Be focused, consistent, and quick. Work as a team. Understand the significance of teamwork. Hoping that all your efforts put forward in the upcoming year will glorify you, will glorify the council and the college simultaneously. Welcome you all to witness the glory of former SAC and learn also for the inception and investiture of SAC 21-22. For the former SAC members, we are pleased to declare that your efforts in conducting various events and becoming a support system in various day-to-day activities of college has won you applauds everywhere. I congratulate you all for your versatility and creativity. Welcoming you to witness the investiture ceremony of SAC 21-22. With this, I make a move for the further program to run. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. We hope you will continue to share your wisdom to guide our students for their development. Moving ahead, well, we have definitely come a long way building trust, leadership skills, organizational skills for personal as well as organization growth. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's time for us to have a look at the marvelous journey of SAC through this video. That has been truly amazing. Thank you, digital team, for the creation of this video. I'm sure you all must have been recalling the wonderful moments we have spent the last year and the achievements students as well as faculties have bagged the last year. We can actually give a big round of applause to the wonderful creation of the video. Let's move ahead with the series now. Well, do not do what's easy, but do what you love and enjoy doing. Our former SAC president, Mr. Adil Mansoori, believed in every word of the mentioned quotation and has followed his passion of serving and guiding the committee members with utmost sincerity and dedication. It is now time to call upon Mr. Adil, former president of SAC, to share his journey as a president.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for calling me. Good afternoon to all. I am very glad to share my words in front of you all. Yes, we are about to end SEC 2020 session. We have started SEC 2020 virtually, and we are going to end it by virtual event itself. We all missed our college a lot during the whole session. We have not even met, but thanks to the Google Meet. We have organized a number of events, and as you seen earlier in the video, all the events were successful because of teamwork, spirit, dedication, hard work. Without teamwork, it was not possible at all. I would like to thank my team members for their support during the entire journey of SEC 2020. I am thankful to my college for bundles of opportunities provided to me. I have developed lots of skills in me. I have noticed lots of development in me after joining SEC since first year. Changes in me in terms of responsibility, discipline, dedication, confidence, fear fighting, communication skills, leadership abilities, and management abilities, and so many more. So those who work hard last year in SEC team, they might see tremendous development in themselves. You all are quite amazing guys. Thank you very much for your love and support. I wish you all the very best for your bright future ahead. Now every end comes with new beginning. I would like to congratulate the newly selected SEC president, vice president, and all the other members for their respective roles. Heartiest congratulations, my dearest. You all are dynamic and have some different quality among your fellow mates. That's why you are selected as a SEC members. As I told earlier, my dearest, you can groom yourself by taking active participation in each and every opportunity that you take. In every activity, you will surely find something new. Be disciplined and be regular. It is the key to achieve what I told you. By the grace of God, college is reopened now. So you will have very good opportunity, my dearest, to do something innovative. Lots of opportunities are waiting for you. I hope you all will do very good in SEC 2021. Do for the betterment of college as well as for the students. Our college will support you in all the best possible way. Those who are present in SEC 2020, again selected in SEC 2021, you all have the responsibilities to train freshers in SEC 2021. You must take the responsibility because you are all are aware the duties of SEC. You all are like my younger brother and sisters. So in any type of need, feel free to contact me. I am happy to help you. We all are like family members. With this, I'll finish my words. I would like to thank the faculty coordinator of Student Activity Council, Dr. Spurti Verma ma'am, for her continuous guidance and support throughout the year. Ma'am, we learned a lot from you. I would like to thank all the respected HODs, faculty members for her guidance and support. I extend my heartiest gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Manish Bilore sir, and I also extend my heartiest gratitude to our beloved director, ma'am, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, ma'am, for her guidance and support. Thank you very much. I will always remember these sweet memories that I have collected during the entire journey of my engineering. I'll always be remember my college days. Thank you very much. That's all.
Thank you, Adil. We can see the quirky smile on your face, and we do understand it must be a mixed feeling of unwavering emotional outburst plus the happiness of serving as a president. Very well said. And you have definitely set a benchmark for the present committee members, and hopefully they will follow your footsteps along.
Thank you. ma'am.
Now, as an appreciation and reward for the valuable services, our President and Vice President of SAC 2020 has offered, we at Sistek Ratibor finds it sheer pleasure to offer memento as a token of love and respect to them. Here we present the memento to Mr. Adil Mansoori, President SAC 2020. Next we have Ms. Preeti Kumari, Vice President SAC 2020. I would request both of you to collect the certificates in person as well when you come to college. We are also pleased to distribute the certificates to our former SAC committee members for their remarkable contribution. I would request Pankaj sir to please display the certificates. At first, we would like to offer the certificate to Mr. Adil Mansoori, SAC President. He truly deserves all the appreciation and applause. Next, we have Ms. Preeti Kumari, SAC Vice President, for her remarkable contribution. Then we have the branch coordinators, Mr. Ravi Raghav from Civil Engineering Branch, Saurabh Kumar Singh, Computer Science, Ansh Mishra, Mechanical Stream, Danish Rain, Electrical Engineering, Sagar Kushwaha, from Electronics, Zunaid Khan from Electrical Engineering. Although we are doing it digitally through the online medium, but we can definitely give a very big round of applause to the deserving candidates who have served. Next is the Cultural Committee, Mr. Lavlesh Sen from Mechanical Engineering, Meenu Kumari, Electrical Engineering, Samvida, again from Electrical Engineering, Nikita Nagar from Electronics, Jyoti Patil, Computer Science Branch, Hemant Pal from Electrical Engineering, Swati Agrawal from Computer Science Engineering. From the Sports Committee, we find it sheer pleasure to offer the certificates to Mr. Harsh Tiwari, CSE Stream, Mr. Yogesh Kumar from Civil Engineering, Ms. Monica Nagar from Electronics and Communication Engineering, Raman Baghel from Electrical Engineering, and Vijay Yadav from Mechanical Engineering. Truly, the exceptional work has been done by our sports committee as well. Next comes the Training and Placement Committee. We would like to offer the certificate to Mr. Arpit Vishwakarma, Electrical Engineering, Mr. Vinayak Acharya, CSE, Computer Science, Mr. Tanmay Acharya, Computer Science Engineering, Mr. Yogesh Kumar from Mechanical Engineering. Now we have Hostel and Mess Committee. We have Mr. Chandan Sen to offer the certificate to. from Electronics branch, Ms. Pallavi Priya from Computer Science branch, and Monica Pandey from Electronics and Communication Engineering. Definitely, your work is outstanding and it would be remembered for ages, students. I hope all the students are ready for the oath-taking ceremony. Well, the moment you take the responsibility for your duties, that very moment you start performing it. Here, at first, I would like to call upon Ms. Preeti Kumari from Computer Science stream, who is serving as a SAC president for the year 2021. Here, it gives me immense pleasure to invite our admirable principal, Dr. Manish Billore, to administer our students to take the oath.
Good afternoon, everyone, and congratulations to the President, Vice President, and the entire newly elected SAC 2021 of the SysTech Ratibad. Requesting Preeti to kindly follow. I,
Preeti Kumar,
do solemnly promise and pledge
do solemnly promise and pledge
to faithfully execute the duties
faithfully execute the duties
of the President
of the President
of Students Activity Council
of Students Activity Council
of SysTech Ratibad,
of SysTech Ratibad,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to further the goals and objectives
of this organization.
of this organization.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will act with utmost integrity
I will act with utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue all activities in an
Thank you, Preeti. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, Preeti. Here, I would like to call upon Mr. Ansh Mishra, SAC Vice President, to come forward for the oath ceremony.
Congratulations, Ansh. Please follow the oath after me. I
Ansh Mishra,
do solemnly promise and pledge
solemnly promise and pledge
to faithfully execute the duties
to fulfill my duties
of Vice President of Students Activity Council
of Vice President of this Council
of SysTech Ratibad
of SysTech Ratibad
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to further goals and objectives
of this organization.
of the organization.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will act
I will act
with utmost integrity
to utmost integrated
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue all activities in ethical manner.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Ansh. We hope you would abide by the oath and would follow the rules and regulations performing the activities in college. Now, I would like to call upon the branch coordinators, Ms. Shivani Verma, Ranjeet, Sagar Kushwaha, Danish Rain, Abhishek Singh.
Congratulations to all of you. Please repeat the oath after me. I
I, Danish Ryan, Electrical Engineering Department.
I, Abhishek Singh from Electrical Engineering Department.
I, Ranjit Kumar, Computer Science and Engineering Department.
I, Sagar Kushwaha from Electronics and Communication Department.
do solemnly promise and pledge
Do solemnly
promise and pledge
and faithfully execute the duties of
and
faithfully execute the duties
of
my branch coordinator
my branch
my
coordinator
my branch coordinator
of Students Activity Council
of
Student Activity Council
Activity Council
of SysTech Ratibad
of SysTech Ratibad
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my knowledge
and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to
further
further the
the
goals and
goals
objectives
and objectives
of this organization.
of this
of this
organization.
organization.
of this organization.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will act with utmost integrity
I will act
I
with
will act
utmost
with
integrity
utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue all
and
activities
pursue
in
all
an
things
ethical
in
manner.
manner.
an ethical manner.
Congratulations to all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Now from Cultural Committee, I would like to call upon Farhad Naz, Aditya Roy, Prathamesh Korikar, Neelu Vishwakarma, Pooja Verma, and Harsh Sahu to take the oath.
Congratulations to all of you. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I,
I, Farhad Naz.
I, Pooja Verma.
I, Neelu Vishwakarma. I, Neelu Vishwakarma from Electrical
Engineering.
do solemnly promise and pledge
Do
solemnly pledge
to faithfully execute
to faithfully execute
the duties of cultural coordinator
the
the duties of cultural coordinator
of Students Activity Council
of
of
Student
Student Activity Council
of Sistek Ratibad
of Sistek Ratibad
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to further the goals and objectives
of this organization.
of this organization.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will act with utmost integrity
I will
I will act with utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
And
and all pursue activities in ethical manner.
Congratulations to all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
From the Digital and Media Committee, I would like to call upon Mr. Ravish Prajapati and Mr. Akshay Bhatti.
Harsh Sahu also.
Okay, please raise your first right hand and repeat after me. I,
Harsh Sahu, Computer Science and Engineering.
I, Akshay Bhatti, Mechanical Engineering,
do solemnly promise and pledge
Do solemnly promise and pledge
to faithfully execute the duties of Digital Media Coordinator
the duties of Digital Media and Coordinator
of Students Activity Council
of
of
Student
Student
Activity
Activity Council
of Sistek Ratibad
of Sistek Ratibad
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to best
To
of
the
my knowledge and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to further the goals and objectives
of this organization.
of
of
this
the
organization.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will act with utmost integrity
I will
I will-
act with utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue all activities in ethical manner.
Congratulations to both of you. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. This is the very first time we have come up with Digital and Media Committee, as it has been constructed this year only, and we truly believe that our students have showcased their talents to have got selected in such a creative committee. So all the best. Moving forward, we have the Sports Committee. I would like to call upon Mr. Mohammad Shahbaz, Kamal Naina Srivastav, Naman Kumar Verma, Neha Lodi, Savita Chipekar, Vijay Uike.
Please raise your first right hand and repeat after me. I,
Naman Kumar Verma, Computer Science Engineering.
I, Neha Lodi, Computer Science Engineering Department.
I, Kamal Naina Srivastav, Electrical Engineering Department.
I, Savita Chipekar of Mechanical Department.
do solemnly promise and pledge
Do solemnly promise
Do solemnly promised and pledged
to faithfully execute
to faithfully
to faithfully execute
the duties of sports coordinator
the duties of
the duties of sports coordinator
of Students Activity Council
of the Student Activity
Student
Council
Activity Council
of Sister Ratibad
of Sister
of Sister
Ratibad,
Ratibad,
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my
to
knowledge
the
and
best of
ability,
my knowledge and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to further the goals
and
and
to further
objectives
the goals of objective
of this organization.
of this organization.
of this organization.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will act with utmost integrity
I will act with
I will act with
utmost
utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue
and
all activities
pursue
in
all
an
activities
ethical
in
manner.
ethical manners.
Congratulations to all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Many congratulations to all the members. The next committee is the Training and Placement Committee, which is always the talk of the town. From the TNP committee, I would like to call upon Swati Agrawal, Tanmay Sharma, Ayushi Borke, Kushagra Chaube, Yogesh Soni, Yash Chopra.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I
Ayushi Borke. I, Swati Agrawal from Computer Science and Engineering.
I, Yogesh Kumar from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I, Tanmay Sharma.
do solemnly promise and pledge
Do solemnly
promise
to faithfully execute
to faithfully
the duties of Training and Placement Coordinator
the duties of training and coordinator
of Students Activity Council
of Student Activity Council
of Sister Ratibad
of Sister Ratibad
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and to further the goals and objectives
of this organization.
of this organization.
Furthermore, I will act with utmost integrity
I will act with utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
Congratulations to all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to all. Now from Hostel and Mess Committee, I invite Kumar Roshan, Abhinandan Singh, Swatantra Mishra, Mangesh Anand, and Dipali Tandekar to come forward for the oath ceremony.
Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I,
Kumar, Department of Engineering.
I, Abhinandan Singh, Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Dipali Tandekar from Electronic and Communication Engineering.
I, Swatantra Mishra, Department of Mechanical Engineering.
do solemnly promise and pledge
Do solemnly promise and pledge
to faithfully execute
to faithfully execute
the duties of Hostel and Mess Coordinator
the duties of Hostel and Mess Coordinator
of Students Activity Council
of the Student Activity Council
of Sister Ratibad
of Sister Ratibad
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
and to further the goals and objectives
and further the goals and objectives
of this organization.
of this organization.
Furthermore,
More.
I will act with utmost integrity
I will act with utmost integrity
and pursue all activities in an ethical manner.
and pursue all activity in an ethical manner.
Congratulations to all of you. God bless. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. So far, we have seen that in hostel we are maintaining proper decorum and discipline. So I hope you all will continue to keep the legacy forward. It is indeed a defining moment for the entire Senate, and I hope the young leaders will uphold the values of Sister Ratibad and its flag flying high while discharging their duties honestly and impartially. So many congratulations to all once again. Well, leaders aren't born, they are made. Our new president, Ms. Preeti Kumari, has proved his mettle in academics, co-curricular activities, and in extracurricular activities too, right from the very first year, and has added many feathers to her cap. She is truly deserving of all the appreciations and applause. Let us call upon Ms. Preeti Kumari, the new SAC president from Computer Science branch.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to thank all the dignitaries for having faith in me and appointing me as the president of Students Activity Council 21-22. This indeed is a big title, and as we all know that with big title comes big responsibilities too. And I'm really excited to see so many new faces into SAC this year, and I'm very confident that I have got the best team to work with. So a big welcome to all my teammates, and as all the students, all the coordinators who are into SAC, it is a proof that you people are like multi-talented. You can manage everything. You can manage SAC, studies, everything. So welcome to all my teammates. And SAC is not just a committee that is responsible for organizing events in the college. Instead, it is a student representative body which works with the students and for the students, aimed at providing students a platform to showcase their talents and uplifting the status of our students and the council itself. SAC works in all the areas. Let it be educational, sports, cultural, everywhere we have shown our presence. So along with these, this year we have come with new visions and new missions. And this year we will be working upon organizing events nationally and also exclusively for our students. And we will also be working on and giving our 100% to bridge the gap between the students and the council itself. And we also will be working for the betterment of our institute and the council. So working in coordination with the team and SAC faculty coordinator Spurti ma'am, who has always been our torch bearer from the last year itself. I wish that we will be able to fulfill these visions and missions, and I know we will, because we have got the best talented people into our team. Finally, thanks to Pallavi ma'am, Spurti ma'am, and all the people, the technical team, the digital team, who are working so hard behind the scenes and all the day to just make this event possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti. And we do hope you will serve as a torch bearer to the other committee members as well. So be an example, be positive, be enthusiastic, be proactive as you always are. Moving ahead. Alright. So let's move ahead with the series then. We at Sister Kratibad always follows in the ideologies of our inspiring leaders. And we have always heard our honorable principal sir to say that believe in your vision and do everything you can to turn it into reality. I consider it great honor to invite our admirable principal sir, Dr. Manish Pillure, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Pallavi ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Director, Sagar Group of Institutes, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, respected Faculty Coordinator, Students Activity Council at Sister Kratibad, Dr. Spurti Verma, respected faculty member, Ms. Pallavi Dikshit, all respected faculty members who have joined in this investiture ceremony, heads of the departments, newly elected Students Activity Council, also our special guest for today's program, Mr. Adil Mansoori, and all those students who are present here for this investiture ceremony. It is definitely a pleasure to have this Students Activity Council in place at the right time, rather little premature, when all the other colleges have just started thinking to establish a Students Activity Council. We have the Students Activity Council in place. So my special appreciation to Spurti madam and her entire team, that they have seen the pulse of the time. They have sensed They have gauged the need of the hour, and therefore they have acted accordingly to form this Students Activity Council right on time. Secondly, I would appreciate Adil for a successful tenure as President of Students Activity Council. I would also appreciate the team, mainly led by Ms. Priti Kumari and all the coordinators of STAC in the past year, who have relentlessly supported Mr. Adil Mansoori and who perhaps made him assured that please don't worry, you have a good team, you have a very strong team, you have a very efficient team, and don't worry, we'll manage the show. And that's what has happened. That's what I have seen in the past year. So Adil, you are a lucky boy. You got a very strong team, and now the same case should be with the new team to continue with the momentum, to continue with the spirit of SysTech. You know why I'm underlying this? Because of what Preeti just mentioned, and what I would like to show to you is this: the newly formed, the rephrased, the reformatted objective, vision, and mission. In fact, this objective has been just added to the set of vision and mission of Sagar Group of Institutions, SysTech, whether it is Ratibad campus or it is Gandhinagar campus. But these are the lines on which I would request all these the new SAG members to move ahead, to proceed, and also to make each and every student of SysTech Ratibad proceed as per these lines. You know, as our respected Managing Director, Mr. Siddharth Sudhir Agrawal says, that there is nothing which is going beyond the scope of our objective, vision, and mission. Particularly the objective, when we say that we want to become a one-stop solution for students in order to build their successful career. SysTech is just not a college, SysTech is just not a place of gathering, but SysTech is definitely a place for the students to build their career. Of course, with the help of their teachers, of course, with the guidance of their mentors, of course, with the support of the entire infrastructure. So, my dear friends, particularly the newly elected Students Activity Council, I would appreciate if all of you get a personal copy of these three statements: objective, vision, and mission. Please go through these statements in detail. Please have a ready reckoner of all these statements 24/7, so that whenever you are in a dilemma, whenever you want to decide on something, how to proceed, which direction to take, which philosophy to follow, please consult this set of statements. Secondly, I would like to request all of you, the newly elected SAC members, to follow the AAA theory. First A is your attendance. If you are present in the college 100% of the time, all through the session, then you are definitely ought to be called as part of SAC member, SAC committee. So attendance is very important. You are an idol, you are some role model of this factor, which is the first A, that is attendance. Second A is attachment. I hope Preeti would agree with me that if you start coming to the college on a daily basis, if you keep meeting all the people on a daily basis or on a frequent basis, you get attached to them. Not only people, you get attached to the computer on which you have been working. You get attached to the seat or to the bench on which you have been sitting for all these years. You get attached to your hostel room. You get attached to your bed at the hostel. You get attached to the blackboard on which your teacher gives you some piece of knowledge each day. So all tangible, non-tangible, all living, non-living things you get attached to. So the second A is get attached. All the SAC members, this is my sincere appeal to be here in the college all the days, and by doing so, you will naturally get attached to all of these things. And the third is attention. Whichever way, whichever form you feel like comfortable, but please be attentive. By being attentive, I do not mean you should be a whistleblower. by attentive, I do not mean that you should always keep pointing out on the negative things. यहाँ पे गंदा है, वहाँ पे गंदा है, यहाँ ये नहीं हो रहा है, वहाँ वो नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ ऐसा होना चाहिए, वहाँ वैसा होना चाहिए. So by being attentive, I mean getting involved. So for example, if you find something which is to be improved or which has a lot of scope of improvement, then you should approach the concerned authorities with a solution, rather with a set of solutions, or rather with a multiple choice of solutions. That sir or ma'am, this is where I feel there is a lot of improvement which is needed, or there is a lot of scope of improvement, and these are probable solutions, these are probable options, rather these are probable feasible options, not only options, not only solutions, but feasible, doable solutions, doable options on which we can jointly discuss, and we can choose the best solution out of these, and we can work out to eliminate these missing things or to improve on these things where we need a lot of improvement. So these are the things, these are the areas on which I would like you to work, I would like you to think, and thereby I would like you to proceed not only on a personal ground, but also as teams, as individuals, as departments, as institute, and thereby as a nation. So ultimate target is to work something which we can be proud of and which can be a contributing factor to the nation building. Don't think locally, please think globally. Whatever you are doing today, in whichever capacity you are, how does it contribute to the building of the nation? Don't hesitate to think on these things. And in the end, I would like to give you my best wishes, my blessings, so that you do the best in your endeavors, you succeed throughout your life, not only in this tenure of SAC 2021-22, but always in your life, always in your career. This is really a blessing that you have been chosen out of a very, very tough competition. I'm told that there were some 250 plus applicants, out of which that too were shortlisted. So out of those 250 plus applicants, you are the lucky ones who are selected for this Students Activity Council. My congratulations to all of you. I wish you all the best. May God bless you always. Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope our students have attentively listened to you, as you have deeply emphasized on what to do and what not to do under SAC, as well as you have thrown light on the wonderful performance of our former SAC committee members, as well as just like any other member who is associated with SysTech Group, you have told us the objective, mission and vision, and we are truly going to work on it. I hope our SAC committee members are going to keep that in mind to keep the legacy forward for personal as well as organizational growth. Let us move ahead. Well, without the strong visionary leadership, no strategy will be executed effectively. Our Honorable Group Director, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh ma'am, is not only a true visionary, but a passionate executor too. I consider it great honor to invite ma'am to address the gathering.
Thank you, Pallavi ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Manish Billore, respected HODs of the different departments, Spurti ma'am, wonderful, cheerful, and always, I would say, inspirational SAC coordinator, faculty coordinator, I would say. All the members of newly elected SAC and our dear former president of SAC last year, Mr. Adil. Very good afternoon to all of you. And I must say this is very unique day and unique batch. Why? Because this is the 10th version of SysTech Ratibad SAC. So this is I would say very unique batch, wherein actually we are actually forming a 10th SAC So if you look at it, like we have spent, we were blessed to have such a wonderful teams of 10 such SAC teams, I would say, and they worked a lot right from their inception till now, and they are supporting till now, like all the SAC members of earlier, the former SAC members are also connected with us. They are very much connected to our students, the faculties, and they are always guiding. And the best proof is Adil here. Like I'm wishing that this legacy, what they have taken forward, should be carried forward by this new SAC also. For an institution like the faculties, the parents, the students are also very, very important stakeholders, and you are the leaders. You are basically the SAC is the leader of one of the important stakeholders. So think about that responsibility, like you are actually the representatives of SISTEC Ratibad. Take it in the institution or out of the institution. So you are the flag bearer of SISTEC Ratibad. Whenever you will be presenting yourself here in the premises or outside, let me tell you, you will be known as the student of SISTEC and the SAC member. So your activities, your I would say the involvement should be equally like I would say very well and good in by all manner whenever you are working here in any department as a SAC member or in any committee or socially also outside this campus. You should be actually carrying that responsibility and you should be behaving in that manner. So I'm hopeful that all the members will take this very seriously. And Manish sir especially has mentioned, he has guided you all about the newly formed objective, vision and mission of the institution. And as he rightly said, that nothing goes beyond the formed objective, vision and mission. So please go through it very well. Take every word of that vision, mission and objective very seriously and try to understand. With every reading, you will find that the meaning of how deep the meaning is of that vision and mission and how much important it is meant for our institutional growth. The institutional growth is not only for the institution's faculties as well as management, but it is actually, when you have read the mission, the objective, it is exclusively for the students. So since you are the representative body of students, please take it forward. Please take it forward to each and every student, and with your activities, with your planning, with your interaction with the students, with your activities with the students of SISTEC Ratibad or any other colleges, that vision, mission and objective should be reflected in your whole conduct. So that's what is the expectation out of it. And I'm sure that as Pallavi madam said, that out of so many contestants, you are been selected as a SAC representative. So it means that you are definitely very much capable to take up that responsibility and take up it forward. So hoping for that, for the best. This is from the institutional side, I can say. But personally speaking, being a SAC member is an opportunity for any student. It is actually a very motivational and inspirational opportunity for any student for his or her personal development. Let me tell you, because I still remember my days of as a undergraduate, and I am very proud to share with you all that when I used to be an undergraduate student, I represented my institution as a college representative, So I was actually the university representative also, because that time actually all the college representatives details used to go to the university, and university people used to select out of so many colleges 13 university representatives, and I was the lucky one who got selected as one of the 13 university representatives. And I elected then I again got selected as a secretary of the University Student Council. So I was a Senate member of our University Students Council, and a Senate member of the university also. So that whole journey was so wonderful, and let me tell you, that made me so confident, that made me to interact with so many people of various stretchers, right from the Vice Chancellor till the student of my college and the other colleges, being secretary of the University Student Council. So that actually made my personality, that made me very strong. And I'm hoping that same kind of exposure, although our university doesn't have that kind of, I would say, the formation as such, but I'm sure that SysTech will certainly give you that exposure in the upcoming days. And I'm hoping that it will not only be limited to SysTech Ratibad or SysTech colleges, but it will be certainly beyond that. I promise this to you all. And I wish you all the best. And thank you so much. Again, hoping for a wonderful year full of SAC activities, full of cheerful activities, and lot many, I would say, buzzwords across the colleges of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and entire India about the activities of Student Activity Council of SysTech Ratibad. So that's what I feel, that's what I dream. Best wishes from my side, and hoping for the new upcoming very nice activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. You are such an inspiration for us. You are like a banyan tree, and we are under the shadow of that tree.
Thank you, Adil, for this.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words were so elating. I certainly think that my new SAC team will take every word of your your speech and will work accordingly. We'll certainly, as Preeti said, as you said, we'll certainly be organizing a national as well as international, if Lord's grace be, international events. We'll try our best. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It seems that our dear audience couldn't resist applauding you and appreciating you, as your charismatic personality has no match. And thank you so much for enlightening us with your words of wisdom and knowledge. Now, any event is incomplete without thankfulness and gratitude. Here, I would like to call upon Mr. Ansh Mishra to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon to all present over here. Student Activity Council is just like a family for me, and I'm very grateful to work with the council. It provides me something which can be said that it is worthy of living. It is worthy of living. Basically, the council provides you the experience, which is joyful, and it provides you the journey and the sense of being mature throughout your college career. And I like to thank some people which are very valuable for me throughout the journey. I especially like to thank the respected director ma'am, respected principal sir, respected Spurti ma'am, and all their HODs. And I especially like to thank respected Akash sir for successful graphic designing, and respected Pankaj sir for IT support, and Siddharth and Rishi sir for digital support. They are the ones because of we have conducted every event. Instead of lockdown, we have tried our best, and with the team, we have conducted each and every event which was possible during the lockdown. And I will surely obey all the decisions and basically ideas taken by the management and try to cope up with them. And I'm really thankful for giving me this golden opportunity. And it's a pleasure for me to lead the team. And I hope we are going to the best of our potential. and we are looking forward to make this year more memorable. Thank you.